Do I need to follow any specific steps to program a universal remote for a Sharp TV?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to discuss how to program a universal remote for a Sharp TV. This is a simple process that can be done in a few minutes. Following the right steps ensures you can easily control your TV with your universal remote.
What do you need?
Before we begin, make sure you have your universal remote and ensure it's compatible with Sharp TVs. You'll also need the list of programming codes that usually comes with the remote, or you can often find them online by searching for your remote's brand and model number.
Preparing the remote.
Firstly, turn on the Sharp TV manually or use the existing TV remote. Now, pick up your universal remote and press the TV button. This tells the remote that you want to sync it with a television.
Entering the code.
After the TV button is pressed, look for the Set or Setup button on your universal remote. The exact button might vary based on the brand of your remote. Once you find it, press and hold it until the TV button starts to blink or you see an indicator light. Now, input the programming code for your Sharp TV. The list of codes often comes with the remote. If the code is correct, the TV button should blink or the indicator light will go off. If not, try the next code from the list.
Testing the remote.
Once you've entered a code and the TV button stops blinking or the light goes off, it's time to test the remote. Press the Power button on the universal remote. If the TV turns off, congratulations! You've successfully programmed your remote. If not, don't worry. Simply repeat the code entry process with the next code for Sharp TVs. Continue this process until you find a code that works. And that's it. You've successfully programmed your universal remote for your Sharp TV. Now, you can enjoy the convenience of controlling your TV with just one remote. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We hope this guide has been beneficial and has made your TV viewing experience a bit more convenient. Happy viewing!